Yeah, I'm thirsty as well, but we've got another
2 runs at least to do.
Three runs? Oh, Rob. Because of all this crap in here, look at all these cars here. Speed running and all that. Hey, anyway. Hello. He's forgot.
Cars had gone.
Yeah, cars have gone.
However.
No! Cars coming in. You never know, Rob.
You don't.
Put this bit at the end.
Somebody's getting at the back anyway. Right, well.
Right then.
I'm back.
He's back.
And I've got an MF-01X thing.
It's a different speed run challenge, isn't it?
Speed run it is, yes.
Yeah.
This is for Poorboys, RC, Mr. Phil. MF-01X. Speed Challenge 2024.
Yeah.
Ooh,
and there's 3 classes.
Marks on the camera.
Marks on the camera, and there's 3 classes, and this is class
Brushless.
2. Brushless class. And now he's only got a mild. That's a 13.5 Turnigy.
Turnigy.
Yeah,
yes.
I like those, but they're not that fast, are they?
No.
But you've got.
This is my initial run.
Yeah.
And
his first run.
I know this ESC, the TBLE-02, isn't really rated for it.
No.
But it's the best one I had.
Well, that's
the
rated.
The one I've got.
Go on.
Is in my DTO2.
In his DTO2, which is just crashed, by the way,
yes,
guys. So, yeah, it's got that TBLE, but it is compatible with 13.5, mate.
I've got
But it's not compatible with 3S.
No.
So,
oh, there.
What battery have you got in, Rob?
3S.
He's got a 3S battery in there. So, can you tip it up? Can we have a look and see? Oh, you can't really see the battery, but you can see the pack's not broken. Well, it's got a scuff in it. But, yeah, it's not a cheating pack, but it is 3S.
Yes.
It's got ludicrous gearing, haven't you, Rob?
No, I've got a standard gearing, but
have you?
It's on the idler gear.
That's called the ludicrous speed mod, that is. That
is it?
Bryce told us all about. I think it was Bryce anyway. Yeah.
Yes.
So he's done that. Otherwise, it's stock, innit?
Yeah. Other than the bearings.
Right
so
then.
Let's get it on.
Let's get it on.
Right.
So.
Turn it on.
Let's turn it on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move it. Can you see? Oh, I can't see it. Look, yeah, I moved it then, look. Yeah, there you go. So there you go. Hey, I'm 61 next month. The old gets together. Got commentators. That doesn't sound good, Rob.
That was wheel spin. Oh,
wheel spin. I thought your gears were slipping.
No.
Got the crowd. Yay! I did take him out, didn't I, just? Naughty chap I am. Are you going to go over there or what?
Yeah.
What are you doing? I thought you'd trimmed it up, Rob.
I am.
Oh, you can't get the staff, guys. What is he like? Come on, sir. It suits you, sir. He's off. It squeals, that little car does. Right then. Don't hit me, Rob.
I'm going to try not to.
Tell me when you're going to punch it, because I'm zoomed in.
Turning.
We've got. Oh, I can't see you now. You've gone out of view.
Turn the dual rate down.
Oh, he's turned the dual rate down, so he says.
Here I come.
Here he comes. Well, he sort of is coming. Yeah. That's got some go in it, Rob. That has. It's making a funny noise. Is that you?
That's the ABS.
Oh, he's got ABS. Oh, he's a bit posh, him, ain't he? I ain't got no ABS on mine, Rob. He's brushless. Can you believe he's got a TBLE-02 with a 3S battery in it? He's disappeared. I'm having trouble with this zoomed in, Rob. It's wobbling all over the place.
Ah, don't matter. I'm coming back.
It's coming back. I'm zooming out. That's pretty nippy, that is, Rob.
I'm bringing it in.
You're not going to have another run?
No.
Was that flat out then?
Yeah, both directions was flat out. I can't control it in reverse.
You can't control it, look. He's miles away, you know, look. It's good, this zoom camera, isn't it? He's bringing her in. There it is.
Hey.
Right then, I can hear that ABS. Drip, drip, drip. That's pretty good technology, that, isn't it, Rob?
First time bleeding works.
Right, back to the car then. Here he is. The first time he's got the ABS working. He's bloody useless, you know, Rob is most of the time.
Tell me about it.
I keep moaning, like, bring a car out and it blows up, doesn't work, his gears fall apart, and all sorts. Are you going to pick it up or are you going to just press it?
Press it!
He's just pressing it. Hang on a minute. Now I've got glare up. I can see it now.
Read! Wow.
30 Mach-9s. Wow, Rob.
Not bad.
How do you feel about that then, son?
And I didn't crash it!
You didn't crash it? 30, so you're knocking on 40.
Yeah.
On your first run, you didn't crash, and it's only a 13.5 turn motor.
It is, yeah.
But it is 3S though.
And it's a stock gearing, 19.2.
Oh, stock gearing, guys. So
I've got a few more gears.
you have got a bit of ludicrousness going on though, so come on.
So.
But, hey,
Woo.
well done, dude.
Thank you very much, sir.
Need a drink?
We do.
A stiff one?
Yes.
And a drink. So true, sir.
Anyway.
Anyway.
Thanks, Phil, for organising this.
Cheers, Phil.
And see you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Yep, Yeti.